Today I will be talking on 2 tips that will help you improve your webinars when you participate in them as a speaker. I will be covering 2 aspects. One, setting up your internet connections, and 2, how to look the best of yourself. Use always a cable connection. Wi-Fi connections are not as stable as with cable, so always plug in a cable that comes from the router into your computer. Make sure the speed you have is good enough. There are many places you can test it. This is a good link. It's www.speedtest.net. This will allow you to see how fast your internet is at the time of the presentation. I recommend using 2 monitors. I usually use my laptop with which I handle all the different windows. I use the second screen to share. So in this way, people do not see everything else you have on your screen. This what you see here is my phone. I always recommend connecting a device like your phone to the same webinar as a participant. This will allow you to check what participants are seeing on their screens. The other thing this phone is useful is for in case you lose connection in the computer. I do not connect my phone to the Wi-Fi. I take away Wi-Fi and I keep the phone on data. So if there is a loss of power or a loss of the connection, my phone will still keep me connected to the webinar. You must remember to make this participant in the phone a co-host, because if not, if your connection drops, all the webinar will drop. The tips that follow I took from Erin Bosby's video on YouTube. There you will find many more tips, and you can get to that video either by using this QR code. If you are watching this on a computer, you can take it with your phone, and if not, you can write the text that is below the QR code into your browser, and that will take you to this video. Lightning is different if you have it from the top. You can see you get a lot of shadows, or if you have it from the front, like in this case and in my case. You can use a lamp behind your computer to get this illumination, or a window. And there are special devices like these that connect to your computer to get power and provides the light you need. This is the kind of device I use. You can see the setup here with the light. Sometimes I move the light here so it goes straight into my face. Another tip, if you're wearing glasses, to avoid reflections. In this case, I think my reflections are not very high, but if you're wearing glasses, you may want to tip your glasses a little bit forward, so in that way no reflections are shown. Try to position your camera at the same level of your eyes. If not, you will be getting an image from bottom up that do not look good, especially if you're using a phone. People used to hold it below their eyes and the faces do not look nice on screen. If you want to learn more on how to run successful webinars, you can go to our Teaching Skills series from the Ophthalmology Foundation. Registration is free. You only have to set up an account. To get there, you can use the link on the right, type it as you can see it into your browser, or if you are on your computer and you want to use your phone, you can capture the QR code also on the right.